Hi guys, I'm Mahmoud. In this tutorial, I will show how to download and install Oracle JDK 11 LTS archive in Linux properly in recommended way from Oracle official documentation. If you are new to this channel, I will be glad to see you as a new subscriber. Now I am going to start by thanking you in advance. Please watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First all up, open up your favorite web browser and then browse this URL. Now click on this download button. Okay. Now scroll down and see Java AC 11 LTS version. Now click on this download link. Okay, now scroll down. Now download the Linux x64 compressed archive. Click on this download link. Now check this. You have to create an account on Oracle to download this JDK archive. Click on this download link. Now insert your username and password to download this archive. I have already downloaded it. Now extract this archive and copy to OPT directory. Extract here. Extracted successfully. Open in terminal. Okay. Now use this command sudo opt. Okay. Hit enter. Now enter your password. Now give the right permission to execute this directory. Open a new terminal. Hit enter. Enter your password, system password. Okay. You can install it on user live JVM directory. User live JVM directory. Okay. Now set Java home path. You can set it system wide or for the current user. I will set Java home path for system wide. So open a new terminal and follow this instruction. Use this command sudo and then use a text editor and then browse the directory. Okay, now hit enter. Enter your password, root password. Okay, now scroll down and copy these lines. Okay, now paste here. Update Java home path. Okay, now save this file. Log out and log in again, or reboot the system, or use this command. To apply changes immediately in your current shell. For current user, you can add this in profile in home directory. Now test the installation. Okay, if you get help from this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and subscribe this channel to get such video. Thanks again.